This is fun. This is lots of fun. Yeah, at least the trees aren't going sideways. It's all fun and games until there's a tree through your house. When the power goes out. What? Did you rethink your decision on coming outside? I sure hope you did. Whew. Alright, fun stuff. So now let me go look down the street here. Whew. Barely see it. We have a fallen tree. Oh dear. There goes the rain. And we got, hard to see maybe, but there's a tree down which is knocked down that power line to a degree. And I'm going back inside. This is not fun. I'm cold. I'm wet.